Hello, good morning. Welcome to the GSC IAS. Today, let's start the topic the Hindu newspaper. Two more migrant workers killed in this Jammu Kashmir. All non-local by laborers in the to be moved in to campus. Kottalam liquid worst hit Kerala ran total in this 24. 5 more NDRF team by developed in the IMD worm of the freeze ran. This news is important. Next, Sihu bomb murder, 3 sent to police custody. DP in air by quantity of the sport Delhi CM to the Sikh action. UAB to bolstered army watch in the eastern sector. This news is not related to the civil service exam. But let this next point by Jumma Nawaz effected to find a solution in Gurugram feuds. CM Chief Minister layer by foundation stone of the new 1.430 bed in hospital. PM Modi call by Pinarayi offer by support in this Kerala. This news is important. UPSC. So next point editorial is very important. The civil service exam related to the state election by limit of the caste based on the strategy. A Turkestan foreign policy trading on the Ottoman footprint is very important. This editorial in the civil service exam. So let me tell you, alarming by the hanger or statistical by the artifact, the founder of the mandate India. This news is not related to civil service exams. And next news is event why rival campus mask AIEDMK golden jubilee fact. So Sidhu turned his Punjab models in lecture to Sonia. Sonia stands sick in the formalized Rahul role. Rajiv Dal hope to add it to assembly seat rally. Priyanka will be face on the Congress in the UP say the Punya. He say he is not by popular in the state. So Afghanistan is the Indo-Pacific on the agenda of British Foreign Secretary of the CDS. This news is the very important in this UPSC mains paper 2. Circulated by the non-local laborers in the fake this IG. And then start the world international news. China tested nuclear capable by hypersonic by missile, see the report. The advance of the space capability of the CUP US intelligence by supervise, surprise. Show group of the US mission by the and King kidnap in this Haiti. 165 Ismay robber killed near Marybins in this Merodance. Minorities of the call for hunger in the streak of the Bangladesh. This news is important. Russian land drop after that move industry to space. Keeping the policy alive after catching sports. Sport news is very important related to the civil service examination and recently the 2021 PT exam and related to the sports question 1. Dravid likely to the head of the coach in this batting of the blowing in this fielding coach of the team India and the appointment 2. So India take by the England today and Scotland by stunned by the Bangladesh. Sri Lanka look after the wearing of the start. Gender by Moscow to the start of Oman to facial bins. NCSK of the bullies to retardant by Dhoni. Charity by credit of younger of the Termleaks. Sport by the Sarnath will look of the break the jinx finance become the should win a score and code. Border field related by the Persure will be the key. IOC Vice Corner and IFFA balancement WC plan. We want to nothing less than title of the stars. Thank you.